We are making s'mores tonight on the fire pit that we bought last night.
2 chunks or 3 chunks? I don't know.
My son Christopher and my son Michael.
Slow cooking's better, Michael, like that.
And Callie. Hi, Callie.
Callie's only eating grass, not s'mores. We could give her a marshmallow.
No, it might make her sick.
No chocolate. Chris has already eaten one. How are the chocolate graham crackers? Never even knew they made them until I seen them today.
I might just have to do graham cracker and chocolate.
It's a perfect night for a fire.
Did you just do one square? Oh, that ain't bad.
Three little, you know.
He did 3?
No, I did 1. It's like one.
Like, you know,
Yeah, the little squares that are the blocks. For somebody who don't like chocolate, it should be 1, but for people like me and you, it'd probably be 2 or 3.
Right.
Melissa in the car club does peanut butter cups. Like thin ones, so there's a little bit of peanut butter, chocolate, and graham cracker. That's really good. Chris would probably much rather just have
Excuse me.
I was about to slip off in the fire. She's hunting for them. She's hunting for something.
You want any more, don't you? Them logs just, some of them logs refuse to stay lit. That one big one is all you're burning on right now.
It's wet, right?
Yeah, that big log you put in there. I'm gonna bring some pallets home tomorrow.
Dom's got some, like, you know, store-bought in a little bag. I need to take his.
I was like, why don't we buy some firewood? It was $6 for one log split up. It's expensive. I got tons of pallets at work. We'll just cut them up and burn them. They're dry. We'll sneak some of the wet wood.
Don't record. Wait until I get it started. Don't record when I'm.
Okay, so, okay,
But make sure you're ready.
okay.
It lasts a little while once you do it.
There you go, Michael. Got a flame now. It needs to stay up.
We need to stuff some more of that little shit underneath there. The logs on fire. The logs are just so wet. If we leave them until next year, it'll burn good.
Callie, what are you doing? You walking around?
Like I said, I'm going to load my van full of pallets tomorrow, then we'll have plenty of wood.
Callie.
No, that's not the one? No. Should I throw it in? No.
You can throw it in there or hurt them. If you go in my garage, on the passenger side of my car, you know the cabinets that are hanging on the wall?
Yeah.
On the top of the first one, there's a
We're trying to keep
4x4.
the one, but some of the wood is wet.
And it's dry as shit, and it ain't treated. It's sitting on top of that red cabinet there. You can throw that in there, that should burn easily. And for a bit, because it's oak. Yeah. We may need to cut it in half.
Yeah.
Once that goes in, it'll burn for a long time.
She's gonna run. Watch. She thinks you're playing with her.
Get your toy. Kelly, get your tire. Get your toy.
Get your toy, baby.
Get your toy. Yeah, good girl.
No, what?
It's part of the desert.
Grab the other battery.
Yeah, this is the desert.
You don't have to play tug of war so bad.
Mm-hmm.
If you get her tire, still grab the other side of it. Just do that right now.
Now that the yard is fenced in, she can run wherever she wants to.
Well, not wherever she wants to, but within her little confinement.
Well, yeah. I'm getting it. Keep it going.
So all ashes go in that hole when it starts getting full. Before it gets so full, we can't pick it up.
Oh, she's got one. She's got a stick.
Yeah, I might be doing it too.
My son is trying to chop up some wood.
You're probably gonna have to rotate it, Chris. The blade ain't as long as that, I don't think.
Yeah.
Flip it one. There you go, right there. Yeah. You're gonna burn now. Put
Yeah, that should help.
Right on the pot fire.
That should help. Careful.
That's oak. It should burn good. It ain't treated, so you can eat right off it.
They get in your eyes?
Smoke in your eyes? We're all gonna smell like a campfire now.
It's worth it.
Well, it's nice to just be able to do it in your own yard.
Right.
The boys can come out and do it.
Oh, she's going good
I bought
now.
some bags of pizza rolls today too. They were on sale.
Alright, that should be good for
Oh
me.
my God! I just dumped liquor all over my knee.
That should be good.
Them 4x4s are gonna burn good.
Alright, where's your bullet? On the table?
Or in my drawer or something. You'll see it out there. Yeah, she's gonna go good now.
We're going to make some s'mores. Me and the hubby are having some drinks. The boys are going to make some brats. It's going to be a good night.
You can feel the heat off it now.
Oh, she's rolling now. She's rolling now.
Them 4x4s are gonna burn for a bit.
Uh-oh.
Cook a fucking
Fire department's coming to get you, babe.
it's fire department. That's the ambulance.
Or whatever. Oh, well.
Roger has a fire every day with no permit. This is way smaller than his.
Right.
I know we put that.
That's a good old flame now.
You see the smoke coming off the side, the paint and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Burning all that paint and shit off it. It's getting hot for the first time. Virgin fire pit.